Imagine feeling as vibrant and energetic as you did in your 30s, even in your 50s and beyond. What if the secret to this youthful vitality was just a set of simple exercises away? Today, we reveal 7 essential exercises that can transform your strength, flexibility, and overall vitality. These routines are specifically crafted for women over 50 and hold the key to unlocking a healthier, more energetic you. Let's dive in and start with number 7 on the list. Number 7. Bodyweight squats. Bodyweight squats are an excellent exercise for women over 50, engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously. They target the quadriceps, hamstrings, and gluteal muscles, which are crucial as we age. Adding bodyweight squats to your routine can improve balance and strengthen the lower body, enhancing daily mobility. To perform a bodyweight squat, start with your feet hip-width apart. Imagine sitting back into an invisible chair, keeping your chest up and core engaged. Lower your body until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Then push back up to the starting position. Focus on maintaining good form throughout the movement. Aim for 3 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions. This helps build strength without overworking your muscles, promoting persistence and progress in your fitness journey. For beginners, using a chair for support can help ensure proper form and balance. The simplicity of bodyweight squats, combined with their significant impact on functional fitness, makes them essential for aging gracefully. Regular practice not only strengthens muscles but also improves posture and stability, contributing to overall well-being. Incorporating bodyweight squats into your regular exercise routine can lead to noticeable improvements in strength, mobility, and quality of life. Before we move on to the next exercise, I wanted to share some recommendations for products that can support your fitness journey. Check the description below for links to recommended supplements, fitness programs, and equipment to support your fitness journey. These products are selected to enhance your routine and overall well-being. Number 6. Push-ups. Push-ups are an excellent exercise for building upper body strength, particularly in the chest, shoulders, and triceps. This exercise is versatile and can be modified to fit various fitness levels, making it ideal for women over 50. Regardless of where you start, you can benefit from push-ups. To begin, get into a plank position with your hands placed shoulder-width apart. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, and engage your core. Lower your body towards the ground, maintaining a straight back and tight core. This downward movement strengthens your muscles. As you push back up to the plank position, your upper body muscles work together to lift you. For those new to push-ups, modifications like knee push-ups or wall push-ups are excellent options. These variations ensure that you can still enjoy the benefits of the exercise without straining yourself. Aim to complete 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions. This routine helps build a more defined and powerful upper body. What makes push-ups particularly beneficial is their impact not only on muscle toning but also on improving posture and stability. By incorporating this exercise into your regular fitness routine, you can experience not just physical strength but also an improvement in overall well-being. Push-ups are straightforward yet effective. They are accessible and can be done anywhere, making them a convenient addition to any workout plan. Regular practice will lead to noticeable improvements in strength, posture, and overall health. Number 5. Bridge pose. Bridge pose is an excellent yoga position targeting the lower back, glutes, and hamstrings. This exercise not only strengthens these muscles but also enhances flexibility and core stability, which are crucial for maintaining health and mobility as we age. To begin, lie flat on your back with your knees bent and feet hip-width apart on the ground. Engage your core and gently lift your hips toward the ceiling, pressing through your heels for added stability. Keep your glutes engaged as you form a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. At the peak of the bridge, take a few deep, controlled breaths, savoring the stretch and strength. After holding the position for a moment, lower your hips back down to the ground with mindfulness and control. Aim to complete 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions. This routine will help build lower body strength while also promoting a harmonious balance between body and mind. The beauty of the bridge pose lies in its simplicity and the profound benefits it offers. It transforms physical exercise into a meditative practice, fostering resilience, stability, and grace. Regular practice of the bridge pose can significantly enhance your strength, flexibility, and overall well-being, making it an essential part of your fitness routine. By incorporating the bridge pose into your regular exercise regimen, you can experience a boost in both physical health and mental tranquility, supporting a graceful and active aging process. If you're finding value in this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And if you want to see more amazing content like this, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. We've got plenty more coming your way. Number 4. Chair Yoga Pose. Chair yoga is a highly accessible and beneficial practice for women over 50, helping maintain flexibility, strength, and mental clarity without the risk of strain or injury. This form of yoga adapts traditional poses to be performed while seated or using a chair for support, making it ideal for those with limited mobility or new to yoga. Despite its simplicity, chair yoga offers numerous health benefits including improved muscle tone, better circulation, and enhanced mental focus. Gentle stretches and mindful breathing rejuvenate the body, promoting well-being and ease. Poses like the seated mountain pose or chair pigeon pose target areas of tension and stiffness, enhancing range of motion and flexibility. Seated mountain pose improves posture and balance, while chair pigeon pose stretches the hips and lower back, alleviating discomfort. Incorporating chair yoga into your routine nurtures both body and mind. This practice is convenient and can be done anywhere, making it easy to include in daily life. Regular practice enhances vitality, mental clarity, and a peaceful state of being, significantly improving overall quality of life. By embracing chair yoga, you stay active, flexible, and mentally sharp, supporting a graceful and healthy aging process. Number 3. Planks. Planks are a classic exercise that offers significant benefits, strengthening the core and providing a solid foundation of stability. This simple yet powerful posture involves maintaining a straight line from head to heels, similar to a push-up position, with hands positioned directly under the shoulders. To perform a plank, start in a push-up stance, ensuring your body forms a rigid line from your head to your heels. Engage your core, imagining it as the central pillar that keeps you steady and strong. This exercise is not just about physical endurance, but also about connecting your mind to your muscles, maintaining steady breaths and determination. Hold the plank position for 30 to 60 seconds, focusing on sustaining the effort with stillness. This exercise transforms the core through the quiet intensity of maintaining the pose rather than through movement. Aim for 3 sets of planks to reap the full benefits. This routine strengthens the core, improves posture, and provides stability, helping to counteract the effects of aging. Regular practice of planks will result in a stronger core and better overall balance, contributing to a healthier, more resilient body. By incorporating planks into your exercise regimen, you build a core that supports your body against the challenges of aging, enhancing your strength and stability. Planks are a simple yet effective way to improve your overall fitness and well-being. Number 2. Standing leg lifts. Standing leg lifts are a simple yet highly effective exercise that targets the hip flexors, outer thighs, and glutes. This exercise enhances muscle tone while improving balance and stability, essential qualities as we age. To begin, stand upright with feet hip-width apart. Place your hands on your hips for stability. Lift your right leg to the side, keeping it straight, then lower it back to the starting position with control. This movement not only strengthens your muscles but also promotes mindfulness and precision. Perform 3 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions on each leg. This routine helps build muscle and cultivate harmony between strength, balance, and grace. The controlled lift and descent of the leg are crucial for maximizing the benefits of this exercise. As you alternate legs, focus on maintaining good posture and steady breathing. Each lift is a reminder of your capacity for growth and renewal. Regular practice of standing leg lifts will enhance your lower body strength, improve balance, and contribute to overall well-being. Incorporating standing leg lifts into your fitness routine is an excellent way to stay active and maintain your physical health, supporting a graceful and healthy aging process. Number 1. Wall push-ups. Wall push-ups are a foundational exercise, perfect for building strength and confidence. To start, position yourself at a comfortable distance from the wall with your arms extended and palms pressing firmly against the wall at shoulder height. Lean forward, engaging your core as you move closer to the wall in a controlled descent. Keep your body straight and steady, ensuring a smooth motion. Push back to your starting position, using the strength of your upper body to return. This exercise emphasizes core stability and upper body strength. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions. This routine is designed to strengthen your muscles gradually, making it an excellent entryway into strength training. Wall push-ups are adaptable, allowing you to modify the intensity by adjusting your distance from the wall. Regular practice of wall push-ups will improve your upper body strength and enhance your overall fitness. It's a testament to the adaptability of exercise, proving that everyone can find a starting point that works for them. Incorporating wall push-ups into your fitness routine helps build a strong foundation for more advanced exercises, promoting a body that moves with strength and confidence. Tips for home workouts. Before we wrap up, let's go over some essential tips for making the most out of your home workouts. 1. Warm-up. Start with a 5 to 10 minute warm-up to prepare your body for exercise. Simple activities like marching in place, gentle arm circles, or dynamic stretches can help increase your heart rate and loosen up your muscles. 2. Focus on form. Proper form is crucial to prevent injuries and maximize the effectiveness of your exercises. Pay attention to your alignment and movement patterns. If you're unsure about your form, consider using a mirror or filming yourself to check. 3. Consistency is key. To see progress, aim to perform these exercises 2 to 3 times a week. Make sure to have at least one rest day in between sessions to allow your muscles to recover and grow stronger. 4. Gradual progression. Gradually increase the number of repetitions or the duration of each exercise as you become stronger. For example, start with holding a plank for 20 seconds and then try to extend it to 30 seconds over time. 5. Cool down. After your workout, don't forget to cool down with some gentle stretching. This helps your muscles relax and reduces the risk of post-exercise soreness. 6. Stay hydrated and nourished. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workout. Also, ensure you're eating a balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates to support your exercise regimen. We'd love to hear from you. Do you regularly include these exercises in your daily routine? Are there other exercises you'd like to share with us? Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. We value your insights. And if you're looking for more ways to enhance your fitness journey, check out the recommended products in the description below. These carefully selected items can help you stay on track and achieve your health goals. Do you want to delve further into optimizing your health? Don't miss our upcoming video, Renew Your Kidneys, Top 10 Foods for Natural Detox and Cleansing. Thank you and see you in the next video.